Hey, welcome to Tarmac. Today is going to be an amazing day. Off down to Hampton Downs racetrack to join the fun and festivities for the 488 Ferrari Challenge. And to get there, going via a helicopter. Should be awesome. Let's see how this pans out. Not that one, not that one. This one.
Skiing when he was really young.
Here's the first look. Grant Baker's trio. Yes. Black Skull.
So as per normal, keeping the vehicle nice and straight in that braking zone.
Yeah.
Pulling the speed out of the car before we rotate. Rotating to the apex, then once we start to unwind the lock, especially with this, 670 horsepower. Nice and patient on that throttle. We don't want to make the car do all the work. Lots of throttle control for us.
I don't want to do any work.
No, that's right. Right, yeah, away we go. All the way up to turn 2 there, Dave. So we'll fade to the left. So braking marker at the 150. So nice long brake for me. Straight up towards the cone on our left hand side. To the left a bit more. Off the brake and turn. Well done, nice and smooth on the throttle. Fade all the way to the left. Then to the right. Little tap on the brake, get the car to turn. Well done. All the way to the right. All the way to the left, and a little tap to get the car a little bit nose heavy. Helps the car steer. So nice long radius turn here, so we build the momentum up nice and slow. Here comes your apex, good vision. Fade to the left a little bit, but we're staying on the right. Little tap on the brake, get the car to the apex. Well done.
Then holding it, isn't it?
Yep, then fade to the right a bit. Now we start to wind more lock on to get to our second apex, then we fade to the right. Brilliant, doing really well. Straight to the cone for me and braking. Brake, brake, brake. Off the brake and turn. Well done. Use all the real estate on the left, then we go all the way to the right. Braking all the way to the top of the dipper, off the brake and turn. Brilliant, good technique, well done. Use all the track on the right, away we go. Doing really well. So braking into 10, and off the brake and turn, so feel that lateral grip in the vehicle. Your apex will come up very shortly, so turn a bit more for me, well done. Now unwind the lock and roll the throttle on. Well done, doing really well. So following the yellow line, braking all the way up to the left for me, and off the brake and turn, so have confidence in the vehicle, well done. Here comes your apex. Right, away we go, down towards turn 2, doing well.
It's really comfortable.
Yeah, very much so. And the wheel speed just increases the more we go. it turned. Well done. Roll that throttle on, left to right for me. Tap of the brake and turn. Brilliant. Very well balanced car, all the way to the right. Then a little tap and turn. Well done. Long radius turn. Your apex will come up shortly. So from the right to the left, then over to the right. Then braking, picking your apex up on the left. Fade to the right for me, and then start to one more lock onto the left. Right to left for me. Braking, brake, 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 off the brake and turn. Brilliant, well done. Braking. All the way to the top of the hairpin. And all the way to the outside. Well done, doing really well. So braking in the 10, so brake, brake, brake. We'll give ourselves a bit of a gap from that car in front.
Damn, this car feels so nice.
It's impressive, isn't it?
Yeah.
It does everything very well.
Yeah.
You know, it's got good power. Right, we'll pass them, Dave. Away we go. So following the radius of the straight. Brilliant. So braking now. Brake, brake, brake. All the way to the cone for me. Now off the brake, let the car roll. So feel that lateral grip in the vehicle. Well done. Roll the throttle on. Right, so we'll just slow down from there. They're just doing a cool down. And we'll do a cool down ourselves. Well done.
Awesome.
How was that?
That was awesome.
Good job. Really well done.
Going to be playing with the 812 Superfast next.
So we'll go out, we'll go twice past the start finish line, and then the second, well, after we've gone past the start finish line the second time, we'll do about half a lap, and then we'll give it a nice big cool down as well. I feel like we might be pushing the brakes a little bit more in this session. I hope so.
What do you say?
Go, 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 go. That's it, keep going, keep going, keep
And
going.
things fast.
Now braking. Keep braking, keep braking, keep braking. That's it, staying left. Now coming in, beautiful. That's it. Using the road, back to the right again. Nice. Little brake into here. Harder to the left. Using that road again, back to the left. A little brake, and then nice and early into the right. Perfect. Letting the car just come out ever so slightly. We feel that rear wheel steer helping us here, because we can pull the car right back in, squeeze the power, and then we're out to the right. Back to the right again. Little brake, and then back to the left. Nice, beautiful. That's it. All the way in and squeeze the power. Go, 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 go. Braking hard, 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 hard. That's it, that's it. Right up to that apex. Get it in. And then squeeze the power. Nice, back to the right. Braking hard.
Yeah.
going to come past this car, so you can go past him to the right.
Is that it?
Yeah, yep, he's got his indicator on. That's it, right in, and squeeze them out, go. Back to the right, little brake, and then back in. Beautiful, smooth over the top. Rides over these bumps a lot easier. Nice, braking hard. Beautiful, all the way. Yeah, hits it. Squeeze the gas, go. Nice, all the way to the left. Squeeze, go.
Damn, this thing is super high.
Braking hard. Keep braking. Nice.
Bit too ambitious there, I think.
But you went in pretty fast, but we over braked halfway in, so
Yeah.
that's it. We'll make up for it here. Let's keep going. Yeah, I'll brake hard. It's a different brake, carry the speed in.
Too much out.
A little bit much, that's it. Keep it in. Now go. Keep going. And braking now. Brake hard. Nice. Wide. Go through the club circuit and then we'll back off, so keep going. Nice. Braking hard. Back into the left. That's it. Beautiful. Little brake back in. Nice. Smooth.
Doesn't
Perfect.
squirm at all, does it? Well, a little bit squirmy.
It's mostly the rubber from the challenge cars. Just a little brake and then back in. And we'll just give those brakes a little breather from now. Ooh, that was good.
A racing ray roof. Put you down, it'll look better. There you go.